to the store, it was this cute boy. He was following me throughout the store, and he used one of those cheesy pickup lines, but it was so cute.
What's his name?
I don't even know.
Did you get his number?
No. Because my grandpa, he was following me everywhere. And I was like, what do you want?
That crazy man. I can't stand
And he
him.
assumed we had something going on.
Ah! Tak kecil dah madam. Yo tuan dola. Asyik aku tu esa pali. Di mina ke tiga so. Bukan ni.
Eu paguei homenagem.
Ya que vamos a comer.
Não começa.
Engwe.
Como o que é tipo street, vai.
Yo que mina. No sisa.
So remember Jeff?
Yeah.
I stuck him to my room this weekend. It was wonderful.
You're crazy.
He is so sweet. I love him.
I could never do something like that. My grandpa would kill me.
But my mom, she don't let me do anything.
You think your mom don't let you do anything. My grandpa don't even let me go outside. If I do go outside, he has to come with me.
That's crazy.
I know.
Don't listen to her.
I wouldn't do it.
You're not supposed to do that kind of stuff. You're a Christian.
You're not innocent either.
Well, you shouldn't sneak boys into your
Or
window.
whatever.
I don't think she should do that. It's like
Anyways,
so
do you guys want to go to the park?
Sure.
Mas muito é lá, onde eles são tigas só tá lá, só tá comigo.
Oh no, I can't. No, I can't go.
Why?
Cause my grandpa? Are you crazy?
Just send him some crap.
We need a plan.
I'll try, but it's not gonna work.
Okay, well, I'll ask mom.
Okay.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
What's going on, girl?
What do you want?
Can we go to the library?
Grandpa, can I please go to the
That's that
library?
problem. They asked you first. What's going on at the library?
Project.
Yes. They need to help me finish a project.
And it's still
You
not
didn't let me
done.
go all week.
What do you mean I didn't let you go all week? We have a computer and everything at home.
I know, but our parents jammed.
You should just let them go.
Let them go.
Let them go. They need to go.
Dad, stop being mean to us. Just let us
We
go.
just got to
It's
talking
just
about the
library.
dress.
What is the library?
This man is so
I have
extra.
to.
What do you mean this minute so extra? Calm that down. And don't roll your eyes.
She's
Please.
talking to me about.
Have that
What
you.
was-
No, she's talking to me about. I'm your grandpa. Be careful. Be careful. Huh?
Copy.
Dina,
Tell Gina to be careful with me. I don't play.
calm it
You
down.
know competition don't play. I know that. Huh? You know competition don't play.
Copy, calm down. Thank you.
Ha!
Dad, you listen.
This is my house. This is my house. Be quiet now. I'm talking.
Probably.
I'm talking now.
Probably.
What is in the library now? What in the library?
I have to go finish my project.
Now, listen to me. Jay, you finish your project? What about you? What you going to do in the library?
I'm gonna help her, Grandpa,
Help her what?
with her project.
What is this project anyway?
It's for science.
It's for
So what about you? What you going to do over
I'm
there?
going to help her too.
So you need 3 people in total to do one.
One
project.
homework. One homework for 2 people.
Copy, just let them go. Just let them go. It's the library.
Please.
Go. Remember, you go to the library for the school project.
Are you gonna pick us up?
Yeah, we could walk there, but you have to come get us.
Why don't you guys want us to take you?
Because that's the race of guys. We're in a recession.
So now you get smart, right?
Yeah.
You guys are ready to
Il y a une réception, il y a une réception, puis voilà bien.
You guys can go. I'll pick you up.
8 o'clock.
Oh, so you giving me time up?
Dad, can we not go through this again?
Can you be respectful?
Guys, let's go, guys.
We'll call you.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Rachel, I'm not watching Miss Leona. I'm watching you. I am watching you, alright? I'm watching. I am watching. Be careful. Tell them that I am watching.
Copy.
J'aime, dis-moi côté où,
He should be here soon.
How does he look like?
He's alright. Not all that.
How do you know?
From school.
fort prendre tout, ou pas qu'à Richita, Oui, c'est où l'histoire. Travail ou commencer, je dis ya. Si y a des filles dans nous, pas garder sous yo. Pas j'oublie que c'est.
That's the boy I was talking about.
Gerald?
Yeah, that's the boy. Uh-huh.
Are you serious or are you joking?
No, I'm serious. This is gonna be so awkward. Oh my god.
Hey, Gerald.
Oh snap!
Hey.
I've seen you before.
I know, at the store.
It's Rachel, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you look cuter than you were
You
last
know
time.
her?
Yeah, I know her.
Okay.
This is weird. Why don't we go over there and you guys can, talk.
Why do I have to go?
Come on, let's just go.
Why can't she go?
Okay, it really doesn't matter. Let's just all stay together.
On va grandir, tant qu'à finir. Ou pas qu'à Richita, oui c'est où l'histoire. Travail ou commencer, je dis ya. Si y a détruit nan yo, faut pas garder sous yo. Pas j'oublie que ou c'est. Oui, nous c'est, nous c'est. Côté nous passer, c'est pour nous briller.
Sorry, bye.
Yeah.
She'll see you later.
This is the second time, know what I mean? You didn't even give me your number again.
Oh, 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 oh. J'aime, faut à l'église, et quoi qu'on dise, pas de bêtises. Oh, oh, j'ai non si fragile, s'il pas facile, faut battre ton fil. Pas carré oui c'est où l'espoir.
Never admit. Never. I'm not very number. I'm not very.
Côté passé, côté pilé, c'est pour nous briller. Bayo lumière, pour moun yo kawe. Oh, oh, oh. J'aime, oui qu'on perd nous.
Allô? Robert, depuis matin, nous prenons petit monde là, nous disons la 8h, dans un bol. Nous presque arrivés. Non, monsieur, je ne balance pas ça. Nous connaissons balance comme ça. Balance, si nous sommes les moulins pour la caille. Les moulins pour sortir pour la caille. Balance ça. Un bouquet, presque arrivé. Un bouquet, pas un problème. Laisse ça.
Yeah, we went to the library and after we went to the mall.
after we go to the mall, est-ce que nous avons bien rendez-vous mall avant, est-ce que nous avons le mall? Dis Robert next time, nous sortis, vin là, là, direct, on a fait des malls, là, madame, on a fait personne, nous-mêmes. Vous connaissez madame, comme ça avec nous-mêmes. Mais comment vous m'allez l'église, moi, demain matin, pour la poulet, ça, pour le mall.
Just the clouds, your mercy